My name is Harish. I stay in Bangalore. Along with my family, wife and two children. I have 20 years of experience in software industry. I currently work for HCL Technologies as Associate General Manager. I was aware of BITS Pilani offering MBA programs for working professionals. I went through BITS Pilani online and different programs which are offered for working professionals, and I went through the curriculum and the courses which are offered and learning objectives. So based on my analysis and my interest to grow in my professional career, I decided to do MBA in business analytics. I was aware of the challenges which I'm going to encounter if I pursue MBA program, because I know I need to make sacrifices in my professional as well as my personal areas. However, the BITS is doing online classes over the weekend, which is a good thing for working professionals, where you don't have to miss your professional meetings or anything, which is usually on a weekdays. So, and in case if there is a situation where I'm not able to attend the class, online class, so recorded lectures are available for us to go back and look at the class which was done. I find BITS Pilani professors are qualified in their respective areas. They have good knowledge of courses or areas which they are teaching us. In particular, I would like to talk about Dr. Gaurav Nagpal, who taught us quantitative methods in first sem, and he is teaching us advanced statistical method in second sem. He is accessible to us all the time over WhatsApp or a phone or a mail, and also he understands the challenges which are faced by a working professional. Discussion forums are available on Impartus, where students can ask questions which were not asked during online classes. The professors are very prompt in answering those queries, and these answers will help us to understand the subject better. This program has courses like managerial economics and financial management accounting, which are new to me, these concepts, and this course has helped me to understand the concepts of managerial economics and financial management and accounting well. Overall, I'm happy to be part of this MBA program, where higher education can be done without taking break from your work, since classes are done over the weekend and it's online. The recorded lectures are available and it can be seen whenever you're free. I suggest to my peers or colleagues, whoever wants to pursue higher education and also wants to have a professional growth without taking any break from their work.